All right, let's get straight to the point. Have you ever spent hours trying to find a genuinely good AI tool, only to realize every tool does just one thing? One for images, another for videos, a different one for presentations, then another for documents. Before you know it, you've got 15 tabs open, multiple subscriptions, and somehow you're still not getting your work done. Yeah, I've been there too. And you already know the problem. Every AI tool focuses on solving only one specific task. There are different models for image generation, different models for video generation, AI workflow tools, document tools, presentation tools. Honestly, it's becoming impossible to keep up. But what if I told you I finally found one AI platform that basically feels like an entire AI tools factory? Whether you want to create cinematic AI images, long-form AI videos, presentations, documents, AI posters, or several other types of content, it manages everything in one place. And the videos you're watching on your screen right now, I literally created them in less than 5 minutes. Not hours, 5 minutes. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. All right, what's the catch? Which AI are you actually talking about? Well, it's HIX AI, the ultimate AI agent. The very first thing you need to do is open your browser and search for HIX AI. Once you search it, click on the first website. As soon as you open it, you'll see this interface. One of the first things I noticed is how clean, simple, and easy to understand. No confusing menus, no unnecessary buttons. Everything is exactly where you expect it to be. If you scroll down a little, you'll notice recommendations for different images and videos that you can create with just a few clicks. And yes, you can create content that looks just like these examples. All right, let's start by creating a presentation. I'll simply click on the Slides button, and it immediately opens inside the AI chat. As you can see, it even suggests presentation ideas, like create a 20-page strategic business review presentation. There are also different generation modes, such as professional and creative. Basically, it's asking what style of presentation you want. I'm going to keep it on creative. You'll also notice two options, instant and thinking. The thinking mode spends more time researching and generating a much deeper, more detailed presentation. So if quality matters, and let's be honest, it usually does, thinking mode is definitely worth using. Now I'll paste my presentation prompt into the prompt box. I need a premium 15-slide presentation about AI workflows for content creation, including script writing, image generation, video generation, social media repurposing, SEO optimization, and automation. Once everything is ready, I'll simply hit the send button. As soon as you send it, HIX AI starts generating the presentation while opening a separate workflow section that shows every step of the creation process. It literally explains what it's doing in real time, making the entire workflow much easier to understand. Instead of throwing random slides together, it builds everything step by step with more clarity, precision, and structure to give you the best possible output. The entire process only takes around 3 to 4 minutes. And there it is, our presentation is finally generated. Honestly, the result is even better than I expected. Take a look at the colors, typography, layout, and the overall design. Everything looks clean, professional, and incredibly well organized. Once you're happy with it, you can simply download it by clicking this button. Now, let's move on to the second feature, AI Chat. Click on it, and you'll immediately notice something really interesting. There are a lot of the latest AI models available in one place, including Google Gemini 3.5 Flash, Gemini 3.1 Pro, OpenAI GPT 5.5 Flush, GPT 5.4 Pro, Claude AI, and several others. Basically, it's an AI models factory. For this example, I'm choosing GPT 5.5 Flush. I'll ask it to create a highly detailed photorealistic image prompt featuring a beautifully dressed woman. I simply send the prompt, and almost instantly it generates an incredibly detailed image prompt. It even creates a negative prompt, which is a huge bonus because it helps improve the final image quality. Now I'll copy the entire prompt. Next, click on Image Models. Once you open it, you'll see an entire collection of AI image models. There are models like Google Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2.0, Midjourney, Stability AI, Flux AI, Seedream AI, Wan AI, Quen AI, and several more. Basically, it's an AI models factory. For this example, I'm choosing GPT Image 2.0. I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9, choose 2K resolution, and set the quality to high. Once everything is configured, I'll paste the prompt into the prompt box and hit send. It takes less than a minute and boom, our image is generated. Honestly, I don't even have words. Just look at the quality. The lighting, realism, textures, and composition all look absolutely incredible. The image feels insanely realistic and genuinely beautiful. Now, let's download it. But we're not stopping there. Now we want to turn this image into a video. So I'll head back to the AI chatbot and simply type, "Create a matching video prompt for this image." I hit send, and within seconds it generates a highly detailed cinematic video prompt that perfectly matches the image. I'll copy that prompt. Next, open Video Models. Here you'll find several of the latest video generation models, including Happy Horse, Wan AI, Kling AI, Hilo AI, Vidu AI, Pixverse AI, and many others. For this project, I'm choosing Seedance 2.0, which perfectly matches the style I'm going for. Now I'll upload the image, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, choose a duration of 10 seconds, paste the video prompt, and hit send. One thing I genuinely like about HIX AI is almost every major AI image and video tool is available in one platform. If you're a content creator, that alone saves a ridiculous amount of time. A few moments later, our video is ready. Take a look. The motion feels smooth, natural, and surprisingly realistic. Everything flows together really well. Now let's download the video. But wait, let's push it one step further. This time, we're creating a video directly from text. I'll switch to text to video mode, choose Seedance 2.0 again, set the duration to 15 seconds, paste the video prompt, and hit send. After a short wait, the video is generated. Honestly, it looks incredibly realistic. The overall motion, camera movement, and character actions all fit together naturally. It feels more like a real production than something generated by AI. Here are a few more videos I've created using HIX AI. If you'd like to try it yourself, check the description below. You'll find the official HIX AI website there, and if you use my discount code HIXAI10, you'll get 10% off your purchase. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe. And seriously, go check out HIX AI yourself. Once you try it, I think you'll understand why I keep coming back to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.